The Vaquita is the world's smallest cetacean found exclusively in the northern Gulf of California. They grow only 4 to 5 feet long, with females being slightly larger. They give birth to a single calf every other year during spring. They have dark black patches around their eyes which makes them look like they are wearing eyeliner. They are the world's most endangered species of marine mammal with only 10 remaining. Guess who pushed them to extinction? Yes, you guessed right. It's again us, humans. As they get caught in illegal gill nets used to catch tatoba fish.